Joining us this week is Jennifer Shakurki from the Columbia County Humane Society, who introduces us to little RJ. And Jennifer told me that RJ sat in her lap the entire ride in this morning.
I think he was trying to get at the window, but
oh,
he still stayed.
Yeah, oh, and it's very sweet. He just looks at you when you're talking. And I have to say, his little fluffy tail, he just looks so silly. Now, what kind of dog is he?
He's a Border Terrier mix.
Ah, okay. And so is he high energy? Hi,
no,
sweetie.
He's about 8. He's going to be 8 this year, so he's lower energy.
Oh, that's nice.
He'll chase you around, but once he gets to you, he's just going to stop and wait for you to pet him.
And relax and enjoy. How is he with other dogs and cats?
He is fine with cats. He likes smaller dogs. He has little dog syndrome, so when he sees a big dog, he thinks that he's a big dog also.
Oh, of course. There are a lot of dogs like that, though.
Yes.
And you are just adorable. If you could get him to stand up, we got to show. Look how cute you are.
Come on, buddy.
He kind of looks a little silly. Sweetie, and I'm not making fun of you. I just think you're, oh, bless you. I just think you're absolutely, oh. See, and I like that how they nudge your hand. He's like, come on now. I just want to relax and be pet. Is that so wrong? Sweet, sweet dog. And what do people need to know when they are adopting a dog? What do you usually tell families?
I think a lot of families think that they're just going to come in and get a dog. If they have a pet, we do want them to meet whatever their potential dog is going to be.
Of course.
Just to make sure.
That it's a good fit.
Yes, and we always make sure that everybody is up to date on vaccinations before they meet, just so nobody gets sick.
Of course. RJ, I'm talking to you. Yeah, we're going to try to get you home. Does that work for you? If you would like to make RJ a permanent part of your loving home, all you have to do is go to the Columbia County Humane Society. If you want that information on sweet little RJ, it's on our web channel, NBC15.com. Just click on news links. And remember, if you adopt RJ in the next month, you're going to get a gift card from Animart. Now, remember Zool, last week's Pet of the Week? I was in love with this little pitty. He was adorable. I don't understand it. Zool is still looking for his forever home. He came into the studio like, woohoo, it's time to party. Love him. Please, he comes from the Dane County Humane Society. Make him a permanent part of your loving home. He, too, is wonderful, and he is a huge snuggler. He wanted to be right next to us. Lots of fun. And RJ, I think it's your turn, too. RJ's checking out Charlie.